Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm going to make another snow-dyed spiral. The shirt was washed and dried, soaked in a soda ash solution for at least 20 to 30 minutes. I wrung it out so it's just barely damp. I also have it turned inside out. And I decided to go ahead and start the spiral in the lower portion of the shirt. So as I'm turning the fork one direction, I'm going to use my other hand and form some additional folds in the shirt. I'm grabbing a rubber band just to hold some of the folds in place, and then I'm going to use kite string to tie up the shirt. I put the shirt aside and allowed it to dry for about a day. However, because of the weather, it didn't get totally dry, so it's still partially damp. I'm going to muck dye this shirt, so I've placed it down inside of a plastic container that is about the same size as the shirt. I thought it would be fun to just use a whole bunch of different gray colors and randomly apply them to this shirt. I've also thrown in a couple of blue shades just to mix it up a little bit. I'm starting with charcoal gray from Dharma Trading Company. The next color is gray from Custom Colors. I'm just going to randomly put a few little areas of each of these colors all over the shirt until the entire shirt is covered in dye. The third color is Silver Lining from Dharma. Gunmetal Gray from Custom Colors. Mist Gray from Dharma. I'm adding some Indigo from Dharma. If you happen to miss what the names of some of these colors are, down below this video in the description, I usually list what colors I use on a shirt. Stormy Gray from Pro Chemical and Dye. Steel Blue from Custom Colors. I'm adding some of Dharma's Bluebird. And some Blue Gray from Dharma. Now I'm going to add a little additional soda ash to the top. And I'm going to pile on the snow. This is a really powdery snow, so I added as much as I could fit in the container. Because of the weather, I went ahead and let this shirt process for about 3 days because, quite frankly, it was too cold for me to go to the sink and rinse it out. I began rinsing in cold water to rinse out any of the soda ash, and then I gradually warmed the water up to hot to rinse out the excess dye. Because this shirt had so much blue in it, the blues kept bleeding for quite a while, so I just went ahead and added some hot water to my sink, put a little squirt of Blue Dawn dish detergent down inside of the sink, and allowed the shirt to soak. I kept coming back and changing out the water when it would get cool, and so I continued the soaking process until the water was almost clear. Then I put the shirt in the washer along with some hot water and Dharma's textile detergent, washed it and dried it, and this is how it turned out. I really like the way this shirt turned out. I wasn't expecting the blue to overtake the shirt quite as much as it did. I only added a couple of blue colors. I added the indigo and I added the bluebird. The bluebird is the new Dharma Trading Company color that they've got to replace the cerulean blue, and I really haven't used it very much. I think this is my first time to use it ice dyeing. It seems to be a pretty powerful color. The other couple of times I've used it, even as a liquid, it seemed to almost overtake the rest of the colors. It's a beautiful color though, I really like it. However, because the blue was so strong, you can't see a lot of definition in the grays. I mean, I can see some of the dark parts in there. That could either be from the muck or where the colors mixed down in the container, or just some of the darker grays. There are some grays coming through, but there's not a lot of definition. If you didn't know it, you probably wouldn't know this was supposed to be a mainly gray shirt. Oh well, I think it turned out looking cool anyway. So if you've enjoyed this video, I sure would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel. All you have to do is hit the big red subscribe button. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.